Welcome back. Today, I'm revisiting one of my very first projects, a portrait of King Charles III. Looking back at the original footage, the story of this build was missing, so I wanted to give it the remaster it deserves. It's a great way to see how far the shop has come. I used my LaserPecker on a round wood blank for this one. Portraits are tough because you have to balance the shadows without overburning the wood. I remember being nervous about the fine lines in the uniform, but the laser handled the metals and regalia beautifully. It's interesting comparing this to my newer projects. Back then, I was still learning how to dial in my speed and power settings. This project taught me how to prep an image so the facial features stay sharp, a lesson I still use on every coaster today. I can finally highlight those satisfying burn moments where the portrait truly comes to life. It just goes to show that even a portable laser can produce professional results. Thanks for taking this trip down memory lane with me. I'll see you in the next one.